Hi, this is Joseph from Eurowall. I'm going to be showing you how to install the anti-rattlers for the multi-points. Now this is only going to work for split configuration doors. So if you have a door where the swing panel closes to a jamb, you will not need these. But when they close to an astragal, like this, you will need this. It helps prevent the panel from rattling a lot. There are 3 different types. There's one for the header, and we have 2 different ones for the sill depending on the type of sill. We have the header, and they're all marked. MH is the header. MA is for ADA sill. And M is for our standard and modified sills. So when you're installing this, what I like to do is I open the doors and I go directly to my multi-point. I'll take it to the second channel and lock it in. See your chute bolt come out. Now you know exactly where to put this. You need to use, for an ADA sill, which is what this is, the MA. There's a groove right here that lines up with this groove on the ADA sill. You want to add a little bit of silicone. Slide it in and wipe away. Now it's not going to go anywhere. The silicone's just for extra precaution. This is how you install the one that goes into the modified or standard sill. The only difference between the two is that the standard sill comes with a riser. Now this is a modified sill here. You want to put a little bit of silicone on the side and pop it in. Now you want the arrow first facing out when you pop it in, right? But there's a difference between the measurements, between the distance or the width inside this. That way, if it still rattles too much, you can flip it where you'll have a much tighter grab inside. Okay, so we already have it marked exactly where we're going to go. You want to be in the inside of this channel, this skinnier channel, and you want this groove to face outside. You kind of want to twist it in and pop it in. I would always dab a little bit of silicone on the side of it, just for extra security. It's really not going to come down. Just like this, just push up, wipe away the excess.